Hiya crafters, Amy here with amyswares, and I'm so excited to share with you the April release at A Colorful Life Design. So I'm going to show you the new stencils, the new bling, so all the things that will be new to the shop come April 1st. So I'm just going to pull these out off screen because there is one that you can't see, and that is the mid-month release. If you aren't familiar with those, what Mary Kay does is she'll release one stencil in the middle of the month. It's not part of the Master Creator Bundle. It's just one special stencil, and it comes out, and it's at a discounted price for the first week when it comes out. So it will come out April 15th. So I'm not going to show you that one, but just wanted to show you, look at this cute packaging. She still gives me these little freebie card blings, which is always nice. So just going to snip this, and then I'm going to jump right in and show you. But I have to pull out the mid-month inspiration. Okay, she labeled it for me. Okay, that one is pulled aside. Now, there's something a little different about this month. So she's actually going to have two different Master Creator bundles for the stencils. So the theme is going to be Snarky sentiments, and then also geometric. So she's actually going to have two different bundles here that you can buy. Like if you wanted all the Snarky, you could buy that for 20% off, or if you wanted just the geometric stencils, you could get that grouping for 20% off. So I will link all those details in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down, I really appreciate you using my links for that. That's the only way I'll get credit for it, because you can't use my coupon with the Master Creator bundles, so she won't know where your order came from. So if you follow the links that are below, then I'll get credit for it. So just bear that in mind. I'll link any details, any pertinent information regarding the sale, because this one is a little bit different. Okay, so I'm going to start with the stencils, then I will show you the new bling. So to start, this first Snarky bundle, this is so fun. Okay, so these are sentiments that you can stencil on your card. So if you're not into stamping, it's just not your jam, you're more into creating backgrounds and using stencils, then you really want to check this out. So these are super fun. You have peopling, going out, exercise, work, went outside, adulting, and then look at this, 0 stars, do not recommend. So funny. So all of these Snarky ones are on 6x9. Again, you can buy them individually, or you can buy them as the complete bundle and get them 20% off. Now, if you want to buy anything individually, whether that's, you know, the bling or any stencils or whatever in the shop, use my coupon AmyFan10 and you'll save on your complete order there. It just doesn't apply for these Master Creator bundles. Okay, so this next one, the first one was called 0 stars. Okay, so this is 0 stars. Now this one is sarcasm. So sarcasm is my superpower. Sarcastic, funny, sweary. If you don't like sarcasm, don't ask me things, and I don't appreciate your lack of sarcasm. So these are really fun. I have a lot of snarky people in my life. I'm snarky myself, so I will get good use out of these. This one is hilarious. This is called eye rolling. Look at this. Sarcasm loading. Eye rolling is my cardio. You can see these adorable little eyeballs here. And then, did I just roll my eyes out loud again and wake me up when it's Friday? So those are fun. Okay, we have Snarky coffee. So I'm holding a cup of coffee. So yeah, I'm pretty busy. I like coffee more than you. I run on coffee and sarcasm. Sassy coffee. Coffee because adulting is hard. And may your coffee kick in before reality does. Ain't that the truth? Okay, a couple more snarky ones. So warning. Not adulting today. I can't people today. I'm so over it. Can we just not? And sorry, not sorry. These are all pretty much things that I say. These are all part of my vernacular. So this is funny. I like this a lot. This is called not adulting. Okay. And then here, this one. I'll make sure everything's linked below, but this one for some reason doesn't have a little thingy on the bottom. Seriously, age is just a number. Mine is unlisted. Being nice is exhausting. Sassy since birth, and bless your heart. So these are the Snarky sentiments. And again, you can buy these individually, or you can buy them in a bundle all together, all of these combined for 20% off. And I'll link that below. Now, I'm going to jump into these geometric goodies. So pretty. Okay, I have a 3x6 here. This is called Erratic Harlequin. So 3x6. This would be great for a mini slimline or just part of a card front. I love when she does a geometric collection because I feel like these are some of the most versatile stencils that you'll have in your collection. You can use them in so many different ways, but I find them particularly helpful for masculine cards. Obviously, they could be cards for anyone, but a lot of people struggle specifically with masculine, so I find that these geometric ones really just create a simple background. You can use whatever color of the recipient, and you know, you're good to go. Okay, so I have broad swashes. This is a 6x9. Super cool. Probably want pixie spray on this one, but it does have some nice connection points. Okay, here I have turntable. This one you definitely want pixie spray, but how cool is that? I love this. I'm gonna grab a card base here a second. Apologize. Grab a card base so you can see where you can put that little swirl right in the middle of everything. Super cool. You could offset it. Actually, you could even probably feed the card through and just use part of it. Oh, you could just use the stripes there if you wanted. Very cool. Lots of options. Okay, next up I have rotating rings. This is a 6x9. So cool. Look at this. You can kind of localize and just do maybe like half of that cool thing, or you could put it all on the center like a bullseye, or you could kind of just focus on this part down here and get a completely different look. So lots of versatility just in this one stencil, rotating rings. Okay, now I have a bunch of 6x6. I think that's all I have left is 6x6 here. Okay, we have intersection. So cool. Ooh, that feels good. Running my fingers over this. Don't want to chip my nail polish, but okay. This one, super cool. So that would be really neat vertically like that. Kind of off the side. Again, anything with these long slats like this, you're going to want to use pixie spray. Okay, this one, 4 bends. How fun is that? Super cool. Love all these GEO ones. Okay, 4 angles. So you got 4 bends and 4 angles. So again, this one you could kind of, oh, that's so cool. I would totally offset it and kind of probably have this piece just kind of off to the left a little bit. So fun. Okay. And then I have, oh, this one is so cool. I don't think there's anything else like this in the shop. Puzzle pieces. So this could be like a really cool like autism awareness card, or maybe just someone who likes puzzles because they're awesome. So very cool. Puzzle pieces. Okay. And then we have lines meeting. So this is really cool. This wouldn't lay down a lot of ink, obviously. You'd still have a lot of white space or whatever your base color is. Maybe start on like a colored cardstock and do like, I don't know, like a glitz glitter gel or some sort of metallic medium, and then just have all those lines. Be really cool. Oh, this one's fun. Rocks. I like this one. All right, and then we have Beatnik Circles. That's a fun name. Beatnik Circles. So kind of swirly, circly. I don't know. I feel like you could make this look almost like planets or something. You could maybe mask off. It just looks space-like to me for some reason. Okay, this one. Oh, this one's really cool. Pikes. So this has thin slats, but again, the connection points aren't very long, so it's not really going to move around much on you. This looks almost like mountainscapes. This might be one of my favorites, actually. Pikes. Okay, and this one. Square to circle. Very cool. So look, it starts off as a square and then just gradually rounds off the corners and makes it smaller and smaller into a circle. Very cool. Again, you could kind of change the look depending on where you place your panel behind it. Okay, I got a couple more here. This is Swirl Around. Super fun. Love this one. Again, you get totally different looks depending on where you use it. Oh, and then this one, this is the final 4 squares. Oh, we got a lot of 4. So we got 4 bends, 4 squares, and 4 corners, I think. Look at that. So cool. This is one I bet artists will need. I look at this and I think of Ardith. So if you're watching this, Ardith, I think you need this one for squares. I can see you doing amazing things with this. Anyway, okay, so that's the stencils again. So you could get all of these in a bundle for 20% off, and I will link it below, or you could get all of the other Snarky sentiment ones for 20% off. Now, ooh, I'm so excited to share this with you. Look, new colors. I'm obsessed. Oh, they're so pretty in person. I've only seen pictures, so I'm very excited to get my hands on these. Okay, guys, I got to show you the collection thus far, okay? So these are all the ones that are currently available. I'm going to try and hold this in. These are all just rainbow goodness, right? And then these are neutrals. But I'm thinking with all these 12 new ones that I'm going to have to kind of split it up and do maybe neutrals in this and like warm colors in this and cool colors in this and have 3 smaller ones because this is already full to the brim and I've got more to add. So anyway, let me show you the new bling beautiful goodness here. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. See, these are totally my jam here. These colors. You see my little evil hands. I'm very excited. Okay. Let's see. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm just going to dump them all out, okay? Just going to dump them all out and then we'll show you up close. Okay. I'm going to start with the neutrally ones. So, there are... Oops. Little sticker stuck. Okay. There's a couple browns. We have metallic coffee. Look at that. Magic. Okay. And satin matte chocolate brown. Okay. So you can see they're not the same. This one is much more warm in color, I would say. And obviously it's got the metallic versus the satin, which is more subdued and not so metallic. Okay. So there's those 2 browns. Now we have a couple gold looking ones. So Crystal Metallic Safari. So this is, it's almost like it picks up a little bit of, I don't want to say orange, but it's definitely more yellow. So it's more of like a bright gold. And then look at this satin matte gold. So pretty. I'm a little obsessed with that one right off the bat. But just looking at all these next to each other, like in a pretty ombre. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, now... This is kind of like a neutral metallic bronze. So again, this one is really red. So maybe you can see the warmth here when I compare them like this. You can really see the metallic bronze is much more orange, but then this is picking up some orange and this is more of a cool brown. So, in my opinion anyway. So, there's those. Okay. Satin matte. Oh, stickers. No, don't stick together. Oh, don't want to rip it. I need to carefully get that to lift off. I don't want it to tear. Okay. Get this off. Oh, that was close. Crisis averted. Oh my goodness. Okay. Metallic Regal Rose. Look at that. My gosh. I'm going to have to compare this one at the end to the rose gold. I want to see the difference in these. I'm kind of thinking it's a little bit more orangey yellow. It's picking up more colors, but oh my gosh. Okay, so metallic regal rose, satin matte silver, another gorgeous neutral. Love that. Okay, satin matte red, gorgeous. Satin matte turquoise. Look at that. It's so pretty. So I can see right on my camera, it's making it look more blue. But in real life, it's definitely more turquoise. There's a little bit more green to it. I don't know why cameras insist upon driving me crazy like this. They always do it with blues. But when you get this in person, you'll see it's gorgeous. It's like a proper turquoise. There's a little bit more green to it than it's showing. Speaking of gorgeous green, no, more stick. Sorry, oh, there we go. Okay. Crystal Metallic Splash. Look at this. Gorgeous. I love, 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 love this. And I'm just picturing it with matte gold or, oh my gosh, look at this. Satin matte chocolate brown or this metallic coffee. Get those together. Amazing. I love combining colors like this. So this makes me think of like salvage patina, and then maybe like the new, one of the new browns, like maybe the scorched timber or something. Maybe it will go, but gorgeous. Love that combo. Okay, getting a little sidetracked. I think I've got them all but these two. I think I've showed you. Black iridescent. Oh my gosh, look at that. So technically black, but look at all those colors it's picking up in there. Absolutely gorgeous. And as you probably know, these are, you can see these are all different sizes, which is a must for me when I'm working with bling. I don't want them to all be the same size. That is just not good for me. I don't prefer that at all. So I love that there's a variety of the different sizes there. This is Crystal Metallic Enchanted. Okay, so I wanted to compare the rose gold. Okay, so here's the Crystal Metallic Rose Gold. This was my previous favorite. We'll see. Yeah. So as I suspected, it picks up more colors. So it's a little bit more saturated in color. And it's picking up kind of, I don't know, like fuchsias and orange and yellow. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I can't decide. I might actually like this one more now. But they're both gorgeous. And I used this recently on a card. I don't know if I've aired the video of it yet, but this is just, oh, it's just stunning. Anyway, so that's the new bling. I'm going to have to reconfigure everything. Maybe I'll pop back on after I do and show you how I reconfigured this. But this is the new bling, 12 new colors. And you can use my coupon AmyFan10 on top of these if you need any of these delicious new colors. I'll link everything below. And thanks for spending time with me. Be sure to check out the release. Our design team has amazing samples of these stencils for you to take a look at and get some inspiration. And we do also have a Facebook fan group. So if you're on Facebook, I'll link that as well below. We would love to have you there. You can chat with me and all the other design team members. And yeah, lots of great inspiration there. So thanks for spending time with me. I'll catch you next time. Bye. Just kidding. I'm back with another option here. I'm trying to figure out my different containers. I got this one that I can pop out. This has got neutrals, purples, whatnot. Sits inside of this, which I feel like is going to be easier to just grab this whole shebang and then figure out. Look at these rainbow beauties. Anyway, I'll probably stick with this one for now. Again, I'm not a lot of room to grow, but I suppose I could probably also pop this out and then use this side by side, but we'd have to see how well they kind of cooperate. So we'll see. Thanks for watching.